cast right in a fish's mouth. Look at that rod. See it? Hey! Hope my arm wasn't in the way. He jumped out of the water with it. He's trying to shake it loose. I don't think he's gonna shake that VMC hook though. Look at him swimming at me. Oh, he's strong. Oh, he's strong. You a big old dark one. You a big old dark one. Large mouth. You've been caught before. Somebody tried to rip your lip off. All right, check him out. See that lip over on this side? Somebody tried to rip that lip off. That's a good one. Good largemouth right there. It's a good one. He's probably 11 inches at the most. But he is a good fight. Thanks for coming to see me, brother. He's swimming track. He's swimming toward me. He grabbed that. And now that's a pretty large mouth. Got another little one. I wish I would leave my bait alone and tell you mom and daddy come see me. How about that? I'm tired of catching you tiny ones. But you better than nothing, I promise you that. I love it. Better than that. I'd rather catch y'all than none at all. Get on home. Come on in here, buddy. It's a fighter. I love catching spots, man. They are fighters. And this one ain't even that big. Come on. He's heavy. He's short and heavy. Short and heavy. Them VMC hooks don't let up. Once they got you, they got you. Got it. Another small one. Don't you take me under them rocks. Where's all them big ones was hitting me earlier? And them big ones were hitting me. I had 4 good hits. Here's a largemouth finally. No, my mistake. It's just greener. It's a spot. He's a pretty little sucker. Why do I only catch small ones? I knew it was small as soon as I hooked it. This the day's been good ones. Alright, buddy. I feel like I got a hand on me. Alright. He did not shoot my worm because I used a wacky rubber gasket. He's a pretty little spot. Get on back in there. Let's try that again. See if we can get a big one this time. All them other strikes were hard strikes. Heavy strikes. Well, I got one, but it ain't very big. It's just a little. He's supposed to be in school. He's supposed to be in school. You're supposed to be in school, little guy. All right. It's Cotton Candies back on the job. He had a fish and didn't even know it. I hope he didn't swallow that hook. Oh, he didn't. He must have just grabbed it. All right, dude. Got him. I guess it's gonna be another little fish day. Got you in the bottom lip. There he is. Every one of these spots got a little spot right there on the back top of the gills. I've just started noticing that today. Man, it's a nice cool day. The wind's blowing. It's cloudy. I mean, it's just beautiful out here. Beautiful. And we're catching fish on top of it. Couldn't ask for a better day on the water. Well, we had a pretty good day. At least we caught some fish. The wind is blowing. I'm out of breath. It is wonderful. The weather, the good Lord. All right, guys. See that view? I'm gonna end the video right here. Had a good day. I don't know how many fish caught several. They were all little. That's okay. At least I caught some fish. It's been a minute. All right, God bless y'all. See you again on the creek.